Have you ever wondered what those little green seeds in your spice rack do? Or perhaps you're not even aware that you have them. Enter the world of fennel seeds, a staple in many kitchens worldwide. These tiny powerhouses are more than just a flavor enhancer. Originating from the Mediterranean, fennel seeds have long been cherished in culinary circles for their sweet, licorice-like flavor. But their magic extends beyond just tantalizing your taste buds. They're used in a variety of dishes, from sausages to bread, stews to curries, and even in desserts and beverages. And while they certainly add a unique flavor profile to your meals, their benefits go far beyond the kitchen. But the question remains, what makes these tiny seeds so special? Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive into the reasons you should be cooking with fennel seeds. First and foremost, fennel seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. These tiny seeds pack a punch with a remarkable repertoire of vital vitamins and minerals. Let's delve into the nutritional landscape of these culinary gems. Fennel seeds are rich in dietary fiber, an essential component for optimal digestive health. Fiber aids in the smooth functioning of the digestive system, ensuring the body can efficiently absorb nutrients from the food we consume. Next up is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects the body from damaging free radicals. The role of vitamin C in boosting the immune system is also well established, making fennel seeds an ally in maintaining overall health. Calcium is another nutrient found in abundance in fennel seeds. It's a key player in bone health, promoting bone density and strength. Aiding in this mission is magnesium, also present in these seeds, which is crucial for nerve and muscle function. Furthermore, iron, an essential mineral for blood production, is generously supplied by these seeds. It aids in the transportation of oxygen throughout the body, ensuring our cells are well nourished and functioning at their best. So, you see, each fennel seed is a mini reservoir of nutrition, providing a wide array of health benefits. They're not just a flavor enhancer, but a holistic health promoter. So not only do they add flavor to your dishes, but they also nourish your body. But the benefits of fennel seeds go beyond just nutrition. They are not only a powerhouse of nutrients, but also a champion of health, and they work in multiple ways to promote well-being. For starters, fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants. These natural compounds fight off harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and helping to prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. They are like tiny warriors, battling on your behalf to keep you healthy. Furthermore, these seeds pack a punch with their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Inflammation is often the root cause of many health problems, from minor issues like bloating and gas to more serious conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effect of fennel seeds can help to reduce this inflammation, bringing relief and promoting overall health. As for their antibacterial power, it helps to keep harmful bacteria at bay, protecting your body from infections. But the health benefits of fennel seeds don't stop there. These seeds are experts at aiding digestion, stimulating the digestive tract to more efficiently break down food and absorb nutrients. This can help to relieve common digestive issues like bloating and gas, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. In addition to supporting digestion, fennel seeds can also help to stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes them a great choice for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. When it comes to eye health, fennel seeds have it covered. They are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient known to contribute to healthy vision by protecting the eyes against damage from free radicals. Moreover, fennel seeds function as a natural diuretic, helping your body to eliminate excess fluid and reduce bloating. This can be particularly beneficial for people with high blood pressure, kidney problems, or heart failure. Lastly, these seeds can give your immune system a boost, thanks to their rich content of vitamin C and other immune-supporting nutrients. They help to strengthen your body's defenses, keeping you healthier in the long run. With such an array of health benefits, it's hard not to be impressed by these tiny seeds. However, as with anything, there are a few caveats to consider. Fennel seeds, despite their compelling benefits, may not be suitable for everyone. If you're someone who is allergic to carrots or celery, it would be wise to steer clear of these little powerhouses. The compounds within fennel seeds may trigger similar allergic reactions, as those experienced with carrots or celery. Moreover, individuals with bleeding disorders should exercise caution. Fennel seeds have been found to slow clotting and increase the risk of bleeding. It's essential to bear this in mind, especially if you're due for surgery or a medical procedure. Lastly, while fennel seeds are generally recognized as safe for consumption, it's crucial to remember that everyone's body reacts differently. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. So while they're generally safe for most people, always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Now that you're armed with all this knowledge, where can you get high-quality fennel seeds? Well, let's turn our attention to Anthony's Organic Fennel Seeds, a brand that comes highly recommended. Why, you ask? Anthony's offers a product that is pure, organic, and non-GMO, ensuring the seeds you consume are as natural as possible. These seeds are not just a great source of flavor, but a powerhouse of health benefits too. Anthony's Organic Fennel Seeds are responsibly sourced, meaning you're supporting ethical farming practices with every purchase. They adhere to strict quality control standards, so you can trust that you're getting a top-tier product. Whether you're a seasoned cook looking to add a new twist to your dishes, or a health enthusiast eager to reap the benefits of these tiny seeds, Anthony's Organic Fennel Seeds are a perfect choice. With a reliable source like Anthony's, you can start incorporating fennel seeds into your cooking with confidence. So, there you have it, the many reasons why you should be cooking with fennel seeds. These small, potent seeds are not just a simple spice. No, they're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and magnesium. But their benefit extends far beyond their nutrient profile. They're also a source of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects, making them a strong ally in our quest for optimal health. Let's not forget their incredible ability to stimulate digestion. If you've ever suffered from bloating or gas, fennel seeds could be the natural remedy you've been searching for. They're also a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids from the body. In addition, fennel seeds play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or simply trying to maintain a balanced diet, incorporating fennel seeds into your meals could make a big difference. And let's not overlook their role in eye health and immune support. With their rich array of nutrients, fennel seeds are a spice that truly optimizes our well-being. But like all good things, there are caveats. If you are allergic to carrots or celery, or if you have a bleeding disorder, it's best to steer clear of fennel seeds. Always remember, the key to health is balance and understanding your unique needs. Now, where can you find these amazing seeds? Look no further than Anthony's Organic Fennel Seeds. They're an excellent source of this spice, ensuring you can start reaping the benefits of fennel seeds right away. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about the amazing world of spices, please subscribe to our channel. And remember, there's a link in the description to take you directly to Anthony's Organic Fennel Seeds. Until next time, keep spicing up your life.